Upbeat, energetic music plays in the background. Video opens with fast-paced shots of the Anycubic Kobra 3v2 combo printing vibrant, multicolored objects. Host, tired of slow 3D printers that hold you back? Ready to unleash your creativity with stunning, multicolored prints? Then get ready for the Anycubic Kobra 3v2 combo. Shot of the printer highlighting its sleek design and large build volume. Host, this isn't your grandpa's 3D printer. We're talking blazing fast 600mm print speeds. That's a benchy in just 11.5 minutes. Imagine the time you'll save. And with its massive 255 by 255 by 260mm build volume, you can create incredibly detailed models, functional parts, or even entire cosplay pieces, all in vibrant 4 or 8 colors right out of the box. No extra hubs needed. Close-up shots showcasing the auto-leveling active filament drying system and 720p camera. Host, the Kobra 3v2 combo features revolutionary Levi Q 3.0 auto-leveling for a 99% first layer success rate. Goodbye frustrating manual adjustments. Plus, the built-in active filament drying system keeps your filament perfect, and the 720p camera lets you monitor your prints remotely, even creating awesome time-lapse videos. Montage of various prints highlighting the quality and color vibrancy. Host, this isn't just a 3D printer, it's a creative powerhouse. But here's the deal, this incredible offer won't last forever. We're offering a limited time discount and bonus filament, a value you won't want to miss. Text on screen, limited time offer, click the link below. Host, don't wait. Click the link in the description below to grab your Anycubic Kobra 3v2 combo today and unlock your full creative potential. Let's make something amazing. Music swells, then fades as the video ends with the Anycubic logo and website URL.